Okay, so as you can tell, I'm not in my usual studio setup. I'm outside in a park and I've got a bit of a sore throat. So I thought this would be the perfect scenario to test out a new microphone. So bear with me with my sore throat and scratchy voice. So this is the RØDE Wireless Micro. Now, if you've seen some of my previous reviews, you'll know that this actually isn't a new microphone. This has already been out for about 10 months now. I did a review about 10 months ago. Quick recap, basically, this microphone is designed for smartphones. It's really compact and super easy to use. That was the main strength, in my opinion, was just how easy to use it was. It's got auto gain, it's plug and play. You just take it out of the case, plug it into your smartphone and start recording. So I really liked it for that. Of course, RØDE always has really high audio quality. My main studio mics are both RØDE microphones. So what's new this time is that they're now releasing it in a camera kit. The main difference is that they now include a little receiver with an AMOLED display, which I'm a big fan of. The original wireless micro had a little smartphone connector that didn't have any display on it. You had to use the smartphone app to monitor any of your audio ins or outs. But now you can see it all on the little AMOLED display. I'll add some B-roll over the top of this footage so you can see what I'm talking about. I think it's great. It's got a little cold shoe mount so you can plug it straight into the top of your camera, and then it's got a 3.5mm out as well as USB-C out, so you can take your pick in terms of whether you're plugging it directly into your camera or you want to plug it into a smartphone. In the kit you also still get the original smartphone receiver. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure why they've included both. To me, if you've already got the ability to have audio out from the new AMOLED receiver, I'm not sure why you still need the original. To be fair, it is compact, which maybe is the main reason. Apart from that, on the little receiver, you can now control your gain levels, which I really like. I actually really like having the ability to have a little bit more control than the original. That was kind of the main downside for me, was that I felt like I didn't quite have enough control for the kind of content that I make. Then you can also control whether you're recording both of the mics in the kit into one channel or whether you're recording them on separate channels. So again, that's a really nice touch, makes it really simple. And then you can just adjust the brightness of the AMOLED display. So again, very simple, and I really like this. I feel like this is a really happy medium between a super hands-off experience like the original wireless micro or something that's a bit more advanced like the wireless Go 2, for example. Now it does come with a new charging case. So this is the original wireless micro case here. So it's obviously a bit smaller. That was because this one just includes the original smartphone receiver, whereas the new one has space for the new receiver and of course the two mics themselves as well. So it's still a really great case, very solid, got no complaints, apart from the fact that I still don't understand why, as far as I know, there's no microphone brands that make wireless mics that have charging cases that also have space for the 3.5mm cable. The first audio company that will do that will have huge brownie points in my book, because the 3.5mm cable is so crucial, especially for a camera kit like this. If I don't have that cable, I can't connect it to my camera. So I just wish I had the ability to leave it inside the actual charging case itself. So there you go. That is basically the new RØDE Wireless Micro camera kit. I think if you're looking for a really simple wireless mic system you can plug into your camera and it gives you a little bit more control than just the base wireless micro, then I think it's a really good choice. It also includes a little windshield. Hopefully it's doing a good job. There's quite a bit of a breeze around me at the moment, so this is what it sounds like. Obviously when you're outdoors in a park there's a bit of ambient noise around. For comparison, I'll show you what my actual just plain camera sounds like. Okay, so this is just camera because I'm not using any external microphone, just the inbuilt camera mic on my Sony ZV-1, so you can obviously compare that to the wireless mic. So I'm going to assume it sounds a lot better, especially considering there's a lot of wind noise at the moment. So I'll plug the wireless micro back in. Okay, so there you go, that is the wireless micro plugged back in, and you can get a good bit of range on this mic. I won't do a test in this video. I've done a test in my previous wireless micro review. If you do want to hear more of my thoughts on the actual mic itself, aside from just the camera kit, then you can check out that review right here.